Ninth question. What is the service that people get from banks to protect their jewelry and valuables? This is from June 2023 question paper. So banks are not only providing the accounts to you, that is withdrawal and deposit of money, loans, etc. They also keep certain valuables with them safely. Okay, you can keep your gold ornaments and other property documents, anything valuable to you in the bank. So certain facility is given to you if you are a account holder. What is that facility is the question. So correct, the answer is they provide safe deposit locker services to keep your valuables. Okay, to keep your valuables. Here the facility given to you is safe deposit locker. See here, the lockers will be like this. Okay, you can keep your jewelries, your gold ornaments, your property documents, or any other valuable things in the locker in the presence of a bank officer. Okay, so a key will be given to you, joint key will be given to the account holder. Okay, so it will be like this only. So this is the facility given to the account holders of the bank. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಆ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ, ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಫ್ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಲಾಕರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಇದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೀನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಲಾಕರ್ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮೌಲ್ಯಯುತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬಹುದು.